Los Angeles is no stranger to rebuilding. From earthquakes to wildfires, this city has weathered its share of disasters and come back stronger. But in recent years, the conversation around recovery has evolved. It's no longer just about rebuilding homes that are beautiful. It's about rebuilding homes that are smart, safe, and sustainable. That message took center stage at this year's Legends LA event in the La Cienega Design Quarter, where designers, architects, and integrators gathered to explore how technology is reshaping fire recovery across Southern California. The destruction left by wildfires isn't only physical, it's emotional and financial too. But rebuilding is also a chance to rethink how homes function and how they protect those who live in them. While structural codes, insurance logistics remain critical, smart home integration is now seen as a proactive and powerful part of the rebuilding process. It's no longer a luxury, it's a necessity for life in fire-prone regions. Wildfires leave more than just burn scars. They fill homes with smoke, ash, and toxins. Smart air quality sensors detect harmful particles like smoke, VOCs, and carbon monoxide, automatically activating filtration systems and sending real-time alerts. In high-risk zones, clean indoor air is a matter of health and not just comfort. Power outages are common during and after fire events. Smart energy platforms like Savant Power give homeowners the ability to store solar energy, monitor usage, and keep essentials running: HVAC, refrigerators, and even medical devices when the grid goes down. One builder at Legends LA noted that solar and battery systems are becoming a standard request for fire rebuilds and not just an upgrade. Smart home scenes can directly support emergency protocols. Motorized shades can lower to block embers. Smart locks can unlock during alarms. Outdoor lighting can guide residents or first responders. When every second counts, automation provides speed and safety. Homeowners don't often return immediately after rebuilding. With smart tech, they can monitor security, HVAC, and environmental conditions from anywhere, staying connected while navigating insurance claims or temporary housing. The rebuild process is deeply collaborative. Architects, builders, designers, and integrators must work together from the start. Smart systems work best when planned early, ensuring infrastructure, power requirements, and lifestyle goals are aligned. Rebuilding after a wildfire isn't just about replacing what was lost. It's about creating homes that are ready for what's next. With smart technology, we can design homes that protect, connect, and support us through whatever lies ahead.